Oh, that's a little bit of me, that is. You know it's one of their posh ones because it's got the ribbon on it. This is a bikini top, if you couldn't tell. As soon as I put it on, it just slipped straight down. And I thought, well, I can't be having that. This is a family holiday. Hello everyone, it's me again. We've got another haul today. As I'm sure most of you are aware, I am currently on holiday. At least I think I am when this video goes up. I'm in Egypt, I've been prepping for it for a while. I've been collecting some new clothing items for it, so today I'm going to share them with you. I have a whole separate Primark haul because I bought so much from Primark, but in this haul I'm going to show you everything I bought that's not from Primark, basically. Before I get started, I just wanted to say that everything I'm about to mention in this haul is linked in the description down below, so if you see anything and you think, oh, that's a little bit of me, that is. It is down in the description for you. The first thing I picked up was actually from ZARA. I'm not usually a ZARA shopper because I used to think it was really expensive, but turns out it actually wasn't. So I've only picked up one thing from ZARA, but I absolutely love this. It is this little crop top. As you can see, it's got a bit of peplum detailing at the bottom. This part of it is elasticated. I love the colours of this. I think with some plain denim shorts, this is going to look really cute. I got this in a size medium and it was $19.99. The majority of the things I bought were from Pretty Little Thing. But next up I'm going to move on to MISSGUIDED. Oh my god, this is one of my favourite things in this haul. It's beautiful. First up we have this little pink playsuit. I love the neckline of this. I just think it's the sweetest thing ever. I love the sleeves as well. They're like really frilly. It's got the buttons down the front. It's got a little, what's this called? Waist tie. It ties up at the waist into a little bow basically. And like I said, it's a playsuit instead of a dress, which I really like. I'm a big playsuit fan when I'm on holiday. It's not too tight fitted, it's quite a light material. I got this in a size 8 and this was £25. So I actually don't think that's bad at all, especially for such a nice quality playsuit. Next item is gonna seem a little bit random. So hold your horses, brace yourselves. I actually picked up a cardigan because obviously I've got to get from my house to the airport first of all. And then when I land back in England, it's gonna be like 3 o'clock in the morning, so it's gonna be cold. I didn't want to go for a full-on coat, so instead I picked up this cardigan. What I really liked is that it's got the belt, so you can make it flattering, and I know I'm gonna wear this a lot in the summer. This was also £25 and I think it's perfect for flying in. It's comfy, it's cozy. Next up, I actually got this bikini on ASOS, but it is from Pretty Little Thing. However, Pretty Little Thing don't sell it on their website, which I think is weird, but it's a little bikini. So the bottoms look like this. I actually have this exact bikini in 2 different colours. I have it in black and white and khaki and black. But I really liked the pink version as well. I like the way this bikini fits. I think it's flattering. Love the colours of this. The top is £12, so altogether £22. Okay, and then moving swiftly on to Pretty Little Thing itself. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed with these. So the first thing I got is a pair of sandals. How cute are they? Not only will these be great for holiday, but I think when I get back home, these with like a pair of jeans or something, if it's not too warm, it's gonna look great. They were only £18. I got them in a size 5. They're a nice little slider sandal collab. I also got another pair of slider sandals, whatever you want to call them, from Pretty Little Thing. These ones are a little bit more shiny. I've seen these on a Facebook advert from another brand so many times in the past month. It was the black version of them that kept coming up, and every time I saw them I thought, Han, you need to get them. It's a sign. You've seen it so many times scrolling down Facebook, and I love them. Then I found them on Pretty Little Thing. They didn't have my size in the black, but they also had nude and they did have my size, so I love that for me. These will also go with anything. These are a lot more comfortable than the ones that I just showed you. They're kind of padded and they were, how much were you, my pretties? These were £20. Right, I'm gonna quickly get these 2 boring items out the way. This is practical thinking Han coming out here. Got a couple of caps. I know they're not the trendiest thing in the world. I went for a plain black and a plain white, so they match whatever outfit I'm gonna wear. They were £6 each. Gotta stay safe, kids. Next up, I picked up a little t-shirt dress. Not usually a t-shirt dress kind of person, but I just particularly like this one. So this is plain black and it says "You Pretty Little Thing" on the front of it. My vision for this is cinched in at the waist with a white belt. I was looking for one of those like seat belt belts, or even just the one that's like, I think it's called a tape belt. I wanted a white one that would hang down. Couldn't find that, but I've got a plain white belt, so I'm just going to use that. And I just thought for the evening, if it's hot, especially if I'm sunburnt and I don't want anything on my shoulders, this is going to be really comfortable to wear. Again, middle-aged Han coming out. And this was £15. My god, why am I such a grandma today? Okay, this next one, I can't lie, I'm not the biggest fan. So when I went to Primark, I got a lot of crop tops and I was thinking to myself, what can I wear with these? My answer was a white denim skirt. This is what it looks like. Nice and simple, just plain white denim, but it's quite see-through and it's a little bit too long. It's just not my favourite. I think I'm gonna have to return this one, I'm not gonna lie. It was £22, so not the cheapest skirt ever. And I also feel like it's not entirely white. I think it's a little bit cream. As long as you wore nude underwear, it would be fine. I just think that would be a little bit faffy. And I'm lazy. Then we have another bit of denim, this time denim shorts. On the website, these look like this. Is it just me, or is that just a completely different pair of shorts? Maybe they have actually sent me the wrong ones. No, they haven't. It just looks completely different on the website. However, I do quite like the way they fit, so I am going to keep these. I just wish they were a different colour because I'm not really a fan of this colour. They've clearly whacked the exposure up on that picture. But these were £18 and I guess they'll still go with any crop top, so this girl's not too fussy. The next item, my friends, oh my god, this is so beautiful. So here we have this little navy play suit. I'm not sure how well you can see it in the camera. I'll insert a picture of it on the model on screen, but it's a little layered play suit. The back of it is kind of sheer. I think that's really pretty. It's a really nice length. It wraps over at the front. You know it's one of their posh ones because it's got the ribbon on it, but it was still only £25, and I think for a nice formal dinner on the beach or something like that, this would look absolutely lovely. Okay, the next few items sadly do not fit me at all, but I thought I'd pick up a few basic black bikini items. The first thing, who's fitting in this? Because I'm not. This is a bikini top, if you couldn't tell. I really liked the idea of it, but it's this scuba material. As soon as I put it on, it just slipped straight down, and I thought, well, I can't be having that. This is a family holiday. It was only £5 though, but I mean, I wasn't expecting it to literally slip straight down my body. So I wasn't too impressed with that, I can't lie. And then to match it, I do actually like these, I'm gonna keep these, are these plain black bikini bottoms. These were only £8 and I thought with literally any black bikini top, these would be perfect. So these ones are gonna get a lot of use. And then I bought another black bikini top, which I'm glad I did because that other one is just a no-go. This one has straps, so at least it's not gonna slip down my body. And it's also a very different material. It's this crinkle material. It feels really nice actually, and this was £12, so a little bit more expensive than the other one, but that is definitely reflected in the quality. And then to go over all my very colourful bikinis, I picked up this little pair of mesh shorts. My reason for this, on the model, look how good that looks. I absolutely love it. I think if you're going to the bar, if you're going for a little walk, maybe you don't want to fully cover up, but you want to put a little something on. And these were only £10. I can already see I'm going to be wearing these a lot on holiday. They're going to be constantly in my beach bag, and I'm going to be whipping them out here, there and everywhere. Sticking with the all black, I also picked up this pair of sandals. Unfortunately though, these don't really fit me. The buckle does up right on the bone of my ankle and it's so uncomfortable, it really hurts. But the rest of the shoe is really comfortable, which is so annoying. I think it's literally just the shape of my ankle, like where my actual ankle bone is not a perfect match with these shoes. These feel really lovely quality. They're kind of like suede, and these were £25. Right, the next item isn't really for my holiday, but I just saw it on the website and really liked it. I put a picture of this on my Instagram story and loads of you guys said you loved it. Got a little satin shirt moment going on. Satin, oh my god, I'm so Essex. I actually went to an event with my friend Georgia. She was wearing an outfit which featured a white satin shirt and she looked amazing. So the next day I literally hopped on Pretty Little Thing and I was like, Georgia, I'm getting your shirt, babes. This will be way too hot to wear on holiday, so this is purely for like when I'm back home. Georgia was wearing this tucked into some ripped denim jeans and she looked lovely. It was such a nice combination of like the classy and then a little bit grungy. Grungy? I'm so not cool. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is I love it and it was £22, and thanks for the style inspo, Georgia. Appreciate that one. I'm sad about this next one. So here we have a little white cami top. As you can probably tell by now, I love a little peplum detail around the bottom. However, this is really see-through. I think what I'm gonna do is send this back and get it in black because then obviously it's not gonna be see-through. But it's got a zip down the back. I just think it's super pretty. You could wear this really casually in the daytime or you could dress it up a bit in the evening. Really versatile top, and it was only £12. Wouldn't really recommend the white, but in another colour, 100% I think this would look lovely. The next item, I got a little dress. This is adorable, but I need to exchange it for a smaller size. I don't know why the size comes up massive in this. I got it in a size 8 and I definitely need a 6 or maybe even a 4. I'm never a size 4. I think just the fit of it is really big. Maybe it's meant to be oversized, I'm not too sure. It's got a little peplum sleeve and and it has buttons all the way down the front of it. Again, I'll put a picture in of the model because it looks amazing on her. And this dress was £18. Okay, the final item, one of my, if not my favourite in this haul, along with the MISSGUIDED playsuit. How adorable is this little dress? It looks so much nicer on than it does off because it's actually really flattering. Again, it's got the buttons all the way down the front, but this is more of like a little cami dress. You'd probably have to wear nude underwear with this one as well, but I mean, it's worth it. Although saying that, it is layered. It's got a layer underneath and a layer on top. It feels really nice quality, and this was only £20. I love it. I think it's literally the cutest thing ever. Looking at all that on the floor now, really wasn't a very colourful haul, was it? A lot of black, a lot of white, and a lot of denim, but you can't wait to see my holiday pictures. But anyway, my friends, that brings us to the end of this holiday haul. If anything here caught your eye, it's all linked in the description down below for you. Make sure you go and follow me on Instagram to check out my holiday pictures. I'm sure I will have uploaded some by now, probably featuring some of the items in this haul. Do subscribe to see my future videos, but for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon with another little video. Bye!